I've just pulled up at one of my favourite ratting permissions here, and I've not been here for probably 2 months. And I've spoke to the farm, he's still seeing a few rats about, so I said I'd come. I'm using again my Wolverine R 177 12 foot-pound. I've got the IC Micro Alpex on the top 4K, which I've got from Cheshire Gun Room in Stockport, and also I'm using a PBI RX illuminator. And I've still got the IC Micro CQ35L spotter. I'm getting liking this because it's an handy thing in your hands. You know, it's not big and lumbering, it's nice and light, and it's got a rangefinder on, and it just fits in this pocket here. You can't even tell it's there. So yeah, I'm going to get out now and get in touch with them. So I'll see you in a minute. I thought that there were a rat. I think it's my mate Peter. Looks like Peter anyway. Yeah, this night I did plan to shoot 2 farms, and I called at this one first, and to be fair, it was a bit quiet, but I think it was because the farm workers had just finished working. So I shoot 4 or 5 here, and then I call at another farm on the way home. And this second farm, there were rats everywhere. You know, at one stage I couldn't reload fast enough, and they were even running over my feet. There were a few rats here under a cabin. What I'm going to do, I'll stay here about another half an hour, and I'm going to try a different farm on the way back. Yeah, I only stayed another 5 minutes, so I now go to another farm where I can't reload fast enough. I've just called at this farm on the way home from rat shooting on another farm, and there's rats everywhere. Let's get to it. That was like the rat shootout at the OK Corral. This farm's always been same for rats. Yeah, there's a few dead rats about now. Anyway, I better move further up here. I'm just reloading because I only had half a magazine. And it started to rain now, so it's making it hard work, but not to worry. I'll soldier on. Pleasant surprise. I'm round the back of the building now, and again, it's alive with rats, but let's get into them. We have a fog coming in now, but I still see the rats. Just there. There's one here that's very zoomed in. I'm going to have to reload again, I can't believe it. Oh, big job this reloading. Yeah, it's turning out quite a good night really. We've, like I said before, we've had rain, we've had fog. I don't even know what time it is. In fact, I'll look now. 12:30. But I'm not working tomorrow, so I can just keep shooting. Ratting, eh? Like they said, the sport of kings. One just run past my foot. Get back to it. Yeah, if I'll be honest, I'm enjoying using this 4K. It's been a good scope, it has. I have two now, one on my 6p PC and one on my Wolverine. They're both exactly the same, you know, the LRF version. And in all fairness, both of them have not put a foot wrong, they haven't. They've both worked perfect. And, you know, even for fox shooting, you know, you can see easily 300-400 yards. And it just records easy. Both of them have never lost zero. And twilight mode's quite good. I like the field of view. I obviously like the rangefinder. And I've not really used the ballistic calculator yet, but I've not needed to, you know. But yeah, overall, I like this 4K, it's been a good scope. Can't believe it, gate's in the way again. There's always gates behind these rats. The mist now is actually gone, and it's a clear night. I can't believe it. I've had fog, I've had rain, and now it's a clear night. But it'll probably be snowing soon. You'll never guess what I'm doing again. Reloading. But as I've said in the past, you can't complain when you've got to reload every 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Yeah, it's surprising really what pest control you can do with a 12-foot pounder air rifle. Like years ago I'd have thought you'd have shot more in FAC, but it's the other way around, you know. I can take a lot of shots with this Wolverine. It's doing just under 12 foot pound with a 1034 grain pellet. But I do a lot more pest control with this 12 foot pound Wolverine than I do my FX King. I mean, don't get me wrong, I do like shooting my FX King. But yeah, it's a handy tool is this. I think I'm going to be packing up soon because they keep coming out. Anyway, I think that's it for now. I must have shot, I don't know, 25, 30 rats again. My Alpex 4K has worked absolutely spot on. It's not put a foot wrong this scope yet, you know, it's been bang on and has. I'm using, like I said, a PBI RX illuminator with it. And yeah, it's been good. So I'm going to have to go and pick all these up now. I use my trigger sticks to pick them up. And I've got to throw them on the midding. And it's home time. Because I think it's, I don't know what time it is. 10 to 1. But I'm not working tomorrow, so it's okay. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you all soon. And like I said, I'll be back out with a 223 soon. See you later.